Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Boy Waldron and welcome to August 2025 show. So let's just jump straight in before we get into everything that's been going on last month's competition, which if you were here last month in July, you'd have known that our competition is for this beauty here, the Supermarine Spitfire TR9. Nice new tool by Airfix, 1/48 scale, not very expensive at all. Really cool kit. So after doing the usual random number generation program and counting down our database of accounts, I came to John McBride. So congratulations to you, John McBride. All you got to do is give me an email, phone call, PM, whatever, on Discord, whatever, and give me a mailing address, and I'll get this shipped out to you free of charge. Now don't worry, we've got another competition coming up later on in the show, so to be in it, to win it, all you got to do is have an account on the Genessis Models website. This can be the ground crew account, which is free for everyone, and you're entered, or you could be a supporting member, have something like the fighter pilot or the fighter ace account, where you support Genessis Models, and for fighter pilots you get your name put in the hat 5 more times, and if you are a fighter ace you get your name put in the hat 10 more times to give you a better chance of winning. So let's get on with what we've been up to this week, last month. One thing we've been doing is building the Defiant. We started this step by step of the Defiant. Hopefully, as you can see here, we're up to about episode 2 now, so we've kind of pretty much finished the cockpit, getting into episode 3, which will be I do believe released next week. We're sort of getting it all sort of built together. So far this kit has gone together rather well. No real sort of fish issues with it at all. Maybe a little bit here and there. I've got a little bit of work to do down here, but nothing major. I think the one big thing really with this kit was it didn't have much surface detail, so we have taken care of that. A little bit hard to see, but we've put all sorts of recessed rivets all around this just to liven up that surface detail. We even added some seat belts in there also as well, just to liven things up a little bit more. So that's moving along nicely, and as I say, episode 3 goes up next week. Hopefully we'll be somewhere in the spray stage by the next show, fingers crossed. But yeah, really liking it. Also there's a book I've been reading. I'll have to bring it down next show, but really cool book about the true story of the Defiant during the Battle of Britain. Really loving it. Really helps sort of get the mojo going and gives you some nice facts about the Bolt and Paul Defiant by Airfix. So that's the Defiant coming along nicely. Also did an inbox review as well of Airfix's brand new tool, the Stalwart. And here she is, the 1/35 scale by Airfix Stalwart Mark II. Again, brand spanking new tool. Really does look cool. Really do want to build this kit, but there is a lot of stuff coming out from Airfix, and Airfix is really up the game, so keeping an eye on what they are bringing out. So definitely more inbox reviews to come along from them. Also we did a nice streaking effects tutorial. I do recommend you go check that out on the Genessis Models website. It was literally I do believe I did it over several builds as well, so I could really sort of show you lots of different streaking effects. We was using all sorts of ammo oil brushes and oils, and then we got the weathering liners and normal streaking effects and all sorts of cool ways of doing streaking effects and all the different ups and downs. So cool little tutorial to go check out if you want to check that out. What else did we do? Oh, we actually finished the Corsair, the 1/48 scale, this one here by Tamiya. This rapid video build got finished. I do believe I put up episode 1 yesterday as well, so that's all up to watch, and here is the finish build. I mean, it is quite impressive because this kit was new tooled in 1996, I do believe. Very old kit, but it really does stand up to even today. The fit, I mean, I've not found any major fit issues or problems. I basically kind of went off and sort of did a bit of scratch building with this rapid video build, so we've got a nice bit of scratch building in there with the wheel wells, kind of doing rib work and hoses and stuff, hydraulics, a bit of extra rivet work, so you know, nice bit of scratch building going on there, as well as in the cockpit as well. All sorts of levers sticking up inside there, really hard to kind of see, but you'll see during the actual part one we've got some, just about see them white little levers just sticking up, and there's all sorts of extra buttons and all sorts going on there, so nice bit of scratch building in there. Overall I am very pleased with it. Just, I don't know, the colour just seemed to be lighter. I did do an Avenger in the same colour scheme, and the same paints as well, but for some reason, whoops, this came out lighter than the other one. Little bit niggled about it, but I suppose it's not a big deal. These things do wear and weather and change colours slightly depending on the squadron and theatre and all this stuff, so I suppose I shouldn't grumble too much, but apart from that I am really liking it. Welcome to the Genesis Models Discord channel. This is a channel for all like-minded fellow modelers to come together and show off all your work, to socialise, to get those tips and tricks, to show off your workstations, general chat, general socialising, and to show off all those lovely final reveals of all your fantastic work for everybody to see. We're covering any and all subjects. We also have a nice sort of build section as well. This is where you guys can build your models or watch other people build their models as they do it step by step, you know, giving encouragement and tips along the way to help you build your models a lot better. We also have like a voice chat section as well, where you guys can actually physically talk to each other, which is a real great bonus for a great socializing network, bringing all you fellow modelers together. So do get over there and check it out. And so what is coming up this month for August? Well, obviously the Corsair is coming along, so that's already been built. You're going to have episode 2 come out of that. I do believe I've got a tutorial on re-riveting models as well that I got from that build as well. Obviously we've got some inbox reviews. I've got a nice book in here I wouldn't mind showing off as well. And then there is the Defiant, obviously, as well. That's going to be coming along, and we're going to be releasing episodes of that, as well as whatever I might sort of come up with. A little bit of sort of bit more in the future, right? I did go off and do a diorama rapid video build, which is all done. This is a P51D Mustang. I do believe this is by Ed Ardener. I've already done a rapid video build of this, right? But it's the actual diorama that we've got on here. It's going to be a nice rapid video build where we sort of show you how to do a nice basic diorama piece, like how do we make all this sort of the edges around it and how it's made, and you know, just a bit of basic sort of grass work and concrete work and weathering there. I didn't show the pilots, but we'll probably, I've got a couple of figure videos that you can check out on the Genesis Models website, but that's sort of like a nice start to kind of doing basic diorama. That will probably come around about maybe September, so there's a bit of a wait on that. And again, going into the future a little bit more, I'm going to start working on the next rapid video build, which is going to be this beauty just here. I thought I'd build an armoured vehicle one. We have Tamiya's 1/35 scale Matilda Mark III for British infantry tank. So this is going to be like my first armoured vehicle of the year, because we don't touch much on armoured vehicles, but we've got to touch on it a bit here and there. So this is going to be really cool for a lot of weathering, because armoured vehicles kind of all about weathering. Again, that's going to come after the Corsair's all gone up and the diorama's gone up, and then this should be built by then, and we'll start releasing that. So nice bit of future kind of what's coming here at Genesis Models, a bit further than August going into September. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing as our next rapid video build. So let's move on to the last bit of the show, which is what is going to be August's competition, which I just got it out. We're going to be doing the Matilda. Now, as always, again, you know, I've already said it in this show, but, you know, go get yourself an account. It gets you entered. the more you sort of support Genessis models, the more you get your name put in the hat, and I'll announce it in September's show who is the winner and get it shipped out to you free of charge. So yes, a lot's going on here at Genessis Models. Lots of builds coming through, building all sorts. Hopefully you're enjoying it, but as always, until the next show or the next video you watch, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.